Howdy, howdy. TnT Stacker here. Welcome one and all. Today we have a package, looks like from M&M Machine Parts. If you know, you know. So let's open this up and see what we got. Yeah, they pack it tight in here. Get hold of this. Here we are. We got these nicely tightly wrapped bag. And in the bag, we have a couple of items. Got that roll and this roll. So in the white container is a 20 war nickels, and on the other side is a $10 face in silver is what I ordered. Just happened to be that they sent quarters, so let's take a look at that. Here's our war nickels, and there's 20 of them, dollar face. And of course the dog's gonna bark, because she always barks if you get anywhere near a phone or anything else. And again, these are the silver quarters, various years. And we have $10 face there. So not a big order, but an interesting order in my opinion. Let's take a look. So again, we got $1 face of war nickels, and typed up or set up some notes. So the war nickels, I got $1 face, and I paid 27 bucks for it. So set 27 times face. Interesting to note that we have 1.125 ounces, and we paid about $24.04 an ounce. Bought these a week or two ago when silver prices were down pretty good. And then we also have these 90% quarters, $10 face, paid $182.61 for 18.26 face. $10 equals out to 7.143 ounces and 25.57 per ounce. Well, that's kind of interesting, isn't it? Notice that the per ounce cost on the war nickels is less than the per ounce cost on the quarters. Kind of a new fact that I learned. War nickels, even though they're 35%, $1 face of war nickels is the highest face the highest silver content in $1 face that you can find in U.S. constitutional. Typically, you get 0.714, 0.715 ounces per dollar when you're talking about 90%. But because it takes 20 nickels to make up $1 face in war nickels, you end up with 1.125 ounces, and overall, a pretty darn good value. So we'll just add this to the constitutional stack. And then looking through here in this quarters, we'll go ahead and move this information aside. Looking here at the quarters, I'm pretty sure it's all Washington. Again, it was just a generic purchase, but I thought I did see something interesting. Look at that. Along with the Washingtons, we also got a standing Liberty. SLQ. Not focusing very well, and looking at a little closer, no date, pretty slick, but hey, pretty good to get a SLQ and a generic stack of silver. All right, that's all I have today. Thanks for taking the time and watching my little video, and we'll talk to you later. Thanks.